Have you ever wondered if the universe has a reverse gear, a cosmic rewind button of sorts? The cosmos has always been a grand stage of the unknown, a vast sea of baffling phenomena and enigmatic mysteries. Its dark corners and infinite expanses have inspired generations of curious minds. What if, in these cosmic depths, there exists a mechanism to turn back the tide of time and space? Well, some scientists believe such a thing might exist in the form of white holes. A white hole, quite simply, is the reverse of a black hole. Now, what does that mean? Let's break it down. We're all familiar with black holes, right? Those mysterious, all-consuming monsters of the cosmos that suck in everything around them, even light itself. They're the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaners, pulling in stars, gases, and any unfortunate bit of matter that strays too close. Now imagine the exact opposite. Instead of a cosmic entity that pulls everything in, you have one that pushes everything out. That, in a nutshell, is a white hole. Just as nothing can escape a black hole once it's been sucked in, nothing can enter a white hole. Instead, matter and energy are expelled outwards in a kind of cosmic expulsion. But where does all this matter and energy come from? Well, that's where things get really interesting. Some theories suggest that white holes could be the exit doors for black holes. Picture this. A black hole on one side of the universe sucks in matter, and a white hole on the other side spits it out. It's a mind-boggling concept, to say the least, and it's one that challenges our understanding of the universe and its laws. Now, it's important to note that white holes are purely theoretical at this point. While black holes have been observed and studied, no one has yet found definitive proof of a white hole. But that doesn't make them any less fascinating. Their potential existence is a testament to the mind-bending possibilities of our universe. Remember, though, that this is just a simplified explanation. The reality is much more complex, involving intricate theories of relativity, quantum mechanics, and more. So, to sum it up, if black holes are like the universe's vacuum cleaners, sucking everything in, then white holes are like the universe's leaf blowers, pushing everything out. In essence, if black holes are cosmic vacuum cleaners, white holes are cosmic leaf blowers. But how does a white hole work, you might ask? Well, let's dive right into the fascinating science behind these mysterious cosmic phenomena. White holes are theorized entities that arise from the mathematics of Einstein's theory of general relativity. This theory fundamentally changed our understanding of gravity, suggesting that massive objects like stars and planets curve the fabric of space and time around them. Now, imagine a point in the space-time fabric so dense, so incredibly compressed, that it forms what we call a singularity. This is the heart of a black hole, a point of infinite density from which nothing, not even light, can escape. But here's where it gets interesting. The equations of general relativity are time reversible, meaning they work just as well if you run time forwards or backwards. If you run these equations in reverse for a black hole, you get a white hole. Instead of swallowing everything that comes near, a white hole spews out matter and light. But if black holes are formed from the collapse of massive stars, where do white holes come from? Some physicists propose that white holes might be the other end of black holes, forming a kind of wormhole in space. In this theory, matter and energy fall into a black hole, get churned around in the singularity, and then spit out through a white hole into a different part of the universe, or perhaps even a different universe altogether. It's important to note, though, that while these ideas are intriguing, they remain purely theoretical. As of now, we have no direct evidence of white holes. But that doesn't stop scientists from exploring these concepts, because who knows? One day, our understanding of white holes might drastically change the way we perceive the universe. So, while the science is complex, the idea is simple. White holes might be the universe's way of balancing out black holes. Imagine the possibilities if white holes do indeed exist. In this vast cosmos, if white holes are a reality, they could revolutionize our understanding of space and time, and potentially our ability to explore the universe. The concept of white holes has given rise to a fascinating idea: the possibility of using these cosmic phenomena as shortcuts through space, or as we often call them, wormholes. Now, the idea of wormholes isn't new. It's been a staple of science fiction for decades, stirring our imaginations with thoughts of instant travel across the cosmos. But imagine if it wasn't just fiction. What if white holes could provide us with a real, tangible passage through the universe, allowing us to cover astronomical distances in the blink of an eye? It sounds like the stuff of dreams, doesn't it? But it's not without its share of potential dangers and challenges. Venturing into a white hole would be like traversing an untamed wilderness filled with unknown perils. The intense gravitational forces could rip apart anything that dares to venture too close. Not to mention, the journey itself could be fraught with unimaginable cosmic turbulence. And there's another issue to consider. Even if we could somehow harness the power of a white hole, we'd still need to find one. Despite our best efforts, we've yet to identify a confirmed white hole in our universe. They remain elusive, hidden, perhaps waiting for us to unlock their secrets. Then there are the practical considerations. The technology required to safely navigate a white hole, let alone use one as a conduit for space travel, is beyond our current capabilities. We would need to make quantum leaps in our understanding of physics, engineering, and perhaps even biology. But let's not be disheartened. After all, every frontier we've ever explored has presented challenges. Every great journey has started with a single daring step. And who knows? Perhaps the journey to uncover the mysteries of white holes will lead us to the next great leap in our understanding of the universe. White holes could be the next frontier in space exploration, but they also present a host of new challenges. So, what have we learned about white holes? Quite a bit, it turns out. We've explored the concept of these cosmic curiosities, dived into the science that might explain their existence, and pondered their potential implications for space exploration. Yet despite our best efforts, white holes remain shrouded in uncertainty. While we're still far from fully understanding these cosmic enigmas, one thing's for sure: white holes add another layer of mystery to our already fascinating universe. We hope you enjoyed our journey into the cosmic mystery of white holes. If you found this video informative and intriguing, don't forget to hit the like button. We'd love to hear your thoughts on white holes and their implications, so feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you're as fascinated by the universe's mysteries as we are, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Remember, your likes, comments, and subscriptions help us bring more of the universe's mysteries to you, so don't forget to engage.